In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels in Microsoft Word. Trying to create a sheet of mailing or product labels by manually sizing a table and guessing the cell margins is an absolute formatting nightmare. The second you print it out, your text shifts off the edges of your sticker sheet, and today we are deploying Word's built-in labels wizard to be perfectly match any retail sheet layout in seconds. Let's map out your digital document to your actual physical paper sheets. Open a fresh blank document in Word, like this. Move your cursor to the top navigation ribbon and click on the Mailings tab. Look on the far left side inside the Create group and check the Labels button right here. A dedicated envelope and label settings box will pop up on your screen. Right before typing anything, look at the bottom right corner of this window and click Options. This is where we tell Word exactly what brand of paper you're feeding into your printer. Click the Label Vendors dropdown right over here and then select your brand such as Avery US Letter. Let's choose this one. Then scroll through the product number list. To select the exact model code printed on your product packaging, for example 5160 for standard address labels. Then, once selected, just click OK. And with your layout pattern locked in, move up to the large address text field at the top of the window and type out the information, address or barcode text that you want featured in the stickies. I'll just type in the test, and directly below that text box, check the print configuration parameters. If you need a whole page of identical stickers, ensure the radio button for the full page of the same label is selected. Now, do not click print immediately. Instead, look down and click the new document button. Word instantly processes your formatting template and generates a brand new page featuring a flawless and visible grid system, populating it with all your label items. This lets you review the typography layouts and make custom design tweaks before committing any ink to paper. Your custom sticker layouts are now completely aligned with precision manufacturer specs, guaranteeing a flawless print run on the very first press. And that is it. That is how to create labels in Microsoft Word. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.